The ZOSI 8CH 4K PoE system offers a robust home security solution with its ability to expand from 8 to 16 channels, providing flexibility for future camera additions. Equipped with 8 5-megapixel weatherproof cameras, this system ensures reliable indoor and outdoor surveillance with superior image clarity both day and night. The system supports remote access through an open-source application, allowing users to stream live footage and receive instant alerts on their mobile phones. Its plug-and-play PoE connectivity simplifies installation, ensuring users receive high-definition images via digital signal transmission over Ethernet cables. With a 2 terabyte security-grade hard drive, the system supports continuous 24/7 recording and offers multiple backup options for stored footage. Family members can enjoy remote access to live views and playback, making it a comprehensive surveillance solution for modern households.